Hi, it's Keith Townsend from CTOadvisor.com with Dave. You know what? We've lost track. I missed yesterday. So while we're on the 11th day of VDM 30 and 30, 30 tech videos in 30 days, I'm only on video number 10. We'll catch up. We'll get 30 videos in 30 days. However, I wanted to talk today about cloud management or operationalizing hybrid cloud. I'm not a big fan of the term hybrid cloud because the concept that we're going to take our private data center, turn it into a cloud, and then take our public data centers, Azure, AWS, etc., and extend that management out to those cloud providers probably isn't a realistic term. 90% of our workloads are running legacy applications. The use case to have private cloud is fairly, I think, limited, but when we do have that use case, we have the need to extend the management of that private cloud out to the public cloud and in a lot of cases multiple clouds. Or at the very minimum, we have the need to manage hybrid infrastructure. And the primary challenge, as I see it, is a disseparate management plane. So when we think about management plane, we think about security and allowing instances, let's say in AWS to have internet access, or in Azure to have internet access. Security in between workloads, making sure workloads are patched, so patch management. Normally, the systems that we use on premises are not always available on our hybrid cloud or on our public cloud instances. The main reason that isn't that Checkpoint doesn't not that Checkpoint doesn't offer a AWS Checkpoint instance, is that we're trying to retrofit an already in place shadow IT implementation of cloud with our hybrid architecture. I wish I could say there's an easy way about this, but there isn't. This is going to be a lot of just working through political boundaries and talking to the groups that have come back to IT, because they have come back to IT, as they found that when they run workloads in public cloud, the operational burden doesn't go away. They still need to do regulatory, they still need to do patch management, they have issues around scale, they have issues around reliability, all these disciplines that IT is really good at. I'm finding that businesses are coming back to IT for help with this, even in instances where they need to talk back to on premises applications. We end up with a situation where they've created this operating model that we need to either remediate or integrate to, and cloud providers are waking up to this. Just the other day, I was talking to a colleague, and he was telling me how Checkpoint now has a ability to pull in dynamic objects from AWS. So if you already have an AWS environment and you need to import that, you can import that and use your traditional enterprise management tools. This is very much why solutions like NSX in AWS, NSX in Azure, Google Compute, why cross cloud messaging platforms, why all of these things are of interest. Enterprises are struggling with just operationalizing hybrid cloud infrastructures. That's it for this episode of CTO Advisor VDM 30 and 30. Talk to you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye.